Hi, my sweethearts. It's Miss Mehle here. Um, Hi. Just wanted to clear up some things. Wanted to make sure we understood something here. I'm looking at the course as in student view right now. Um, the Just wanted to remind you that you have to move on to the unit, move on you through the units. You need to complete the NROC course material, including the writing assignment. And I had stated in an email, I'm going to add this to this, that I need to see scores of 80 in there. I'm going to show you what I mean in a second. I need to see that you have completed all of the work in the unit. And then you send me notes from your foundations videos before I will consider advancing you. So here's an example of what I'm talking about. So here's a student view in NROC. She has tried to be sneaky. She's not a good student. She has said, I'm going to do the introduction. I'm just going to skip the rest of that. I'm going to jump down to the writing center. Well, this student's not going anywhere for two reasons. I'm not seeing 7 checks, for one thing. And we see you have completed 1 of the 7 exercises for this activity. So she has done her first draft. She's moved on to the writing workshop. So she's got to go through the first draft review, the second draft, the writing workshop, the second draft edit, and the final, and then I come into play at the final draft. This is where you get the grade. And you need to have an 80 on that. A lot of people they're not taking this very seriously. I'll show you the example. Just to show you what the student did as part of this was her first draft. She just put in gobbledygook so she could move on, and even down to the title. Then she's going to do something really sneaky. She says, I ain't wasting my time on this mess. She's just gonna start it playing and then try to do that. So it then lets her move on, which she can't do because there are certain things she has to meet with that. She might let it play. She's going to be bad. She's going to let it play and walk away.
I think this sentence
So
also needs a verb.
She's not going to get to
We should
do
let Dean
what
know
she
what's
needs to
great,
do.
what needs improvement,
So
and why.
she's not taking it very seriously here.
Keep your comments
So we're letting it run just so we can finesse it to the next section. Am I showing you guys how to do this because this is how I want you to do? No. I'm showing you because I know some of y'all are doing it this way. So then we do the first draft instructions and we just click yes, 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 yes for everything. Watch what happens. Yes, 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 yes. Submit. This is what I'm seeing people doing. Second draft, like, or we're gonna go dismiss with everything. Dismiss, 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 and then we go submit. So same thing we're gonna do here. We're gonna skip it to the end because we can't stand that guy's voice anymore.
time. Pay close
And
attention when reviewing, revising, editing, and proofreading your work.
you see,
So that your readers,
he's just going
reviewers,
on.
and most importantly,
We
your
haven't listened to
instructors
anything he
know
said,
that you're serious about your writing.
and we should continue. Second draft edit. We're gonna click on it. maybe do one thing to it, maybe we just won't say anything, continue. And we're going to say, now we see reviews pending. So what am I going to be seeing? See a report. I'll see a review, and it's going to say, "Oh look, I have to look at the second draft edit for this crazy student." So I'm looking and going, I'm going to be, putting in my little comments here. It won't let me do it. I think it won't let me do it. So now let's say the student says, "Well, I'm done with this. I ain't going to write any more on this." Let's go back to the home part of it. It's going to have it'll show me, let's go back to the home part here. Reviews pending. It says your work's for pending review. So this is what I'll see with otherwise with the the settings. I go under students, and I'm going to look at that student. I'm going to see she's tried she's trying unit 1, and I'm looking to see she's got a little thing that right here that says she's in the writing center, and that's the last place she's been. I'm looking to see if she's got black scores for everything, which she doesn't have any scores. But let's say she sends me the assignment. She sends me this and says, "Can I move on?" No, you can't. So we're doing essentially everything in NROG. We're not doing those tests because we can't be face to face. We can't be sitting together for this. So just remember to make sure you do everything. That you do all 7. You do everything that's there. You do, and I know it takes more than 9 minutes. I saw somebody with 9 minutes in the writing center. No. You can spend 9 minutes, but I don't think you'd be getting anything. I don't think you'd be getting the black score that's there. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, to just let you know kind of what I'm seeing. I'm looking to see not only are you making any progress. I'm looking to see if you have if you're logging into Moodle. So hopefully we'll be able to get through all of this. I'm a little worried because I'm not seeing all that many drafts that I need to be reading. So I hope we're able to pick everything up. That we're able to get everything completed. And because we're in crunch time now, and we're really in crunch time. We've got about 6 or so weeks before we're done, and I haven't read writing from some people. I haven't. So I hope we can all get through this and make this work for us. Just email me if you need me for anything. I'm going to try next week to start keeping an office time. I'll put a link for where you can find me. Just because I want to be there for you guys if you need anything from me. So I will talk with you guys later. Just keep plugging away.